Hi, lover. Where are you going? You would bring it up to me? Come on, let's go. No, I told you them shoes are too small. Good, but your shoe is still too small. Will you get out there, Noah? Come on, down. Come on. Why'd you bring them with you in the first place? I told you to get out of the way. Hello.
How you doing?
Good.
Trying to make a breakaway?
He's trying to make a breakaway. He did break, and then he turned around and then he sat down for a break. No, don't pour the bottles out. Come on.
Go.
Had his bag ready and everything. You see that? All that blue. And still called her a sheep. Goodness gracious.